Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here and today I want to talk about the Agile Crash Course on Udemy. This course promises to be a comprehensive guide to Agile project management, covering everything from its fundamentals to real-world applications. In this review, I'll be going through the course objectives, content, target audience, and my overall impressions to help you decide if this course is right for you. The course objectives are to provide a solid understanding of Agile principles and practices, the roles and responsibilities of an Agile team, and the tools and techniques used in Agile project management. By the end of the course, students should be able to apply Agile methodologies to their own projects and teams, and contribute to the success of their organizations. The course content is divided into 6 sections. 1. Agile Fundamentals. This section covers the core values and principles of Agile, including the 12 principles of the Agile Manifesto. 2. Agile Practices. Students will learn about popular Agile practices such as Scrum, Extreme Programming, and Kanban, and how to apply them in different project contexts. 3. Agile Roles and Responsibilities. This section focuses on the roles within an Agile team, including the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team, and their responsibilities in driving project success. 4. Agile Planning. Students will learn about Agile planning techniques such as release planning, iteration planning, and backlog refinement, and how to create a realistic and flexible project plan. 5. Agile Monitoring and Adjusting. This section covers how to monitor and adjust an Agile project using metrics such as velocity and burn-down charts, and how to handle changes and risks in an Agile context. 6. Real-World Agile. The final section focuses on applying Agile principles and practices in real-world scenarios, including challenges and strategies for successful Agile adoption. The target audience for this course is project managers, team leaders, and anyone involved in software development or project management who wants to learn about Agile methodologies. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced professionals who want to deepen their understanding of Agile and how to implement it effectively. Upon successful completion of this course, students will have a solid understanding of Agile methodologies and be able to apply them in their own projects. They will be able to contribute to the success of their organizations by driving efficient and customer-focused project delivery. While this course provides comprehensive video lectures and exercises, students may benefit from additional readings to enhance their understanding of Agile. The course instructor recommends the Agile Manifesto, the Scrum Guide, and books such as Agile Project Management with Scrum by Ken Schwaber and The Art of Agile Development by James Shore and Shane Warden. I really enjoyed taking this course. The instructor was very engaging and provided a lot of real-world examples to help us understand the concepts. The course content was well organized and easy to follow, and the exercises and quizzes helped reinforce the learning. I particularly liked the section on Agile planning, as it provided a lot of practical tips on creating effective project plans.